everybody, in this video we will learn about sign up. This is only done once. Click on sign up and fill in the details that are asked on the screen. Here it is asking you for the day, month and year when you were born. You click on it and fill the details and press set. I have filled the details. Now I will press set. Now you see it is asking me for my email address, first name and last name. I will fill this also. After you filled it, click on sign up. Now you will see a page like this. It says we have sent an email to verify your account. This means something sent on your email. So open your account and look for an email from Zoom. See, now I will scroll down and I have found my email. So now I will click on it, and when I click on it, I will see activate account, and I will even click on this, and this will take you to another page. Now whatever they ask, you have to answer. Are you signing in on behalf of school? No. And now you click on no and press continue. Now you have to fill to the information on this page. Fill your first name here and then your last name, and now create your password by reading the instructions below. Now once you have created your password, you make a note of it in your book so you don't forget it, and you write the password again on confirm password. So now I have done it, and now I will press continue, and over here you have to click I'm not a robot and press skip. So now over here it says start a new meeting. This is the third step of your final account. You can invite colleagues right now, and here this is my Zoom account.